Okay, now we need to put something on the gutter of our swimming pool so that the user should not wound themselves. So for it, you are going to use the railing. The railing, first of all, you are going to remove all the components of the railing by clicking the minus sign on the minus sign. Then you go under, you allow only the segment. Then you add here you put 1 on the, you're going to see 100 there, you put 1. Then you go under baluster, baluster component setting. Here is 22. Okay, here you put 5. Then you go under baluster setting, under baluster pattern setting, you put there 7. Okay, you have something like this. You click OK. You go on your 2D. This is your gutter. And then you draw it like this. Okay, draw it. Let's change here. Let's put 11. 11, is it okay? No, 11 is not okay. Let's put 12. 12, is it okay? Okay, 12 is okay. Oh no, let's put 11.5. Let's put 11.5 if you are using the same units. 11. Okay, let's work with 11. So you delete it, click on railing, go and modify here, put 11. You click and you continue. You go around the swimming pool through the gutter. Okay, this is what we have. Let's check. Okay, this is what we have. This is how it's been placed. So this is what we obtain. But then it's not very good to look. Not very nice because there are we have small holes there. Let's just go and fill those holes. Click here. You separate it first of all, then you click, and that was okay. You click here, extend it here. Click this one, extend it here. Click this one, extend it here. I think we can have something better. Okay, it's looking better, but still it's not okay yet. It's not okay. The spacings are too large. So what we are going to do is I'm going to select all the railings. You click shift, click here, click, and you click. Selected all the railings. Go under railings. Let's go and modify the spacing. Let's put 6. Okay, let's put 6. Then on the baluster here, you put 24. Okay, 24. Let's zoom and check. Oh, it's better. So I think we are done with our swimming pool. Then how is the swimming pool working? These are the stairs. From the stairs you go to the next level of your swimming pool. Then you have another stair here that's going to bring you to the next level of the swimming pool. Then from there now you can reach the best part of your swimming pool. So this is your swimming pool. What you can now do is to add earth all around the swimming pool, but that we're not going to do it now. So after you've done this, you can now save your project, and during our next class I'm going to show you how to design a parapet. We are going to work on parapet design. Good morning everyone. In our last class I showed you how to put the different lights, how to do the different lighting of your design, and to add 2 or 3 things. So if people wish to modify or add 2 or 3 things, they can do so, but for me it's okay. Now I'm going to show you how to import a project. First of all, there are 2 ways you can import your project in Lumion. There are 2 main ways you can use to import your projects in Lumion. So the first way is to save. You press Ctrl Shift S to save, or you come here under File, you click Save As. Click Save As. Now you scroll, then file name. I've already put my file name G+1 room over pool because I have many files. Now you go and check. You look for the extension 3.3ds. .3ds, this is .3ds. So you save with this file, with this file extension, then you go in Lumion and import it. Or the second way that some of you may not have is using live synchronization. It's going to synchronize your ArchiCAD and your Lumion in such a way that everything you modify in ArchiCAD is being modified in Lumion, but the reverse is not possible. Now I've already launched, as you can see, I've already launched my Lumion. So now we are going to go into Lumion and work. So that's it. Very soon, let's go in Lumion. In the previous class I showed you the different ways with which you can take to load your scenes in Lumion. Now this is my scene that I loaded, and we are going to start our 3D rendering. So this is my scene. The house is not yet rendered, and all the surrounding is available freely on Lumion 12. All the cars and it's available on Lumion 12 only, but if you're using lower versions you need to place them yourself, and it's very easy to place it. You just need to open your mind to creativity, and everything will move smoothly. Okay, so now we are going to start. I always start with my outer environment before going into the inner environment, before going into the inner house. But for this particular rendering, we are not going to dip. We are not going to go into inner rendering. We are going to focus only on the outer view and the different facades. So this is how it looks like before. This is how it looks like, and let's just expect to see how it look like at the end. Let's expect. So now we can start our work. Firstly, let me check. Let's start here. Let's first of all put a tree here. For trees, you go under place, material. Yeah, we are even there. Bibliothèque d'objets. This library, objects library. Under nature, because trees under nature. You choose the tree that you wish to put. Me, I like to put a palm tree. That's a conifer, if I'm not mistaken. Then you can choose the type of conifer that you wish. You choose your type of conifer. don't want that my diagram should be saturated, so I'm going to take something very light. Okay, let me try and place this conifer here. No, it's too small. Let me try this one. No, this one too tall, too small. Okay, this one is okay, so I'm going to place it here. Okay, I'll place, let's say I place 2, place 1 or 3, I place 1 there, then I place 1 here, 1 here, let me just place 4, and the last one here. I don't want to saturate the diagram. Now let's put flowers all around, flowers and 2-3 stones all around. Still in nature, grass. Okay, flowers. What type of flower? The thing is, when you are doing a rendering, you first of all need to know the colors that you are going to use for your rendering. Me, for example, I have an idea of colors that I like to use. I already have an idea, so from that it's going to guide me on the type of colors that I'm going to use. So I'm not going to use something that's very colored. I'm going to take something light, because my rendering will be focused on 2 colors, the white and the gray. Those are my 2 main colors for this rendering. So I proceed. The first time I'm using white and gray as a measure color, so I'm experimenting, but because I always use colors like red and white, or dark blue and white, or even green or brick red. It depends on you. You choose the color that I wish to use and use it. I set white. Okay, so this is my white. I place my flowers all around. That's my flowers. I place it. Only one type of flower. Let me see from afar if it looks. It's not bad. It looks beautiful. Always make sure that what you're putting does not saturate your rendering. Always make sure that what you're doing is looking good, because it's your rendering first of all. Let me just put this one closer to the tree like this. Then I do same for this one, closer to the tree. And rendering is something that takes much time. So if you see someone rendering and the person tells you that it took just 30 minutes or 1 hour, you need to know that that person is a liar, a big liar. Okay, let's proceed for our last tree. Okay, let's place it one after the other. Okay, so that's this how it looks like. Okay, now we are going to add stones, rocks. Okay, let's place this type of rocks. Let's just put 1, 2 here. Let's take the small ones. Let's put 1, 2 here. You just need to put it in a haphazard manner, because for it to be natural, it doesn't need to be perfect. The principle of making a 3D rendering natural are the imperfections that you add into it. Just take like this. It's true that you can align it to be very straight, but then it's not going to look natural. Okay, now after it, let's put the fence of grass. Let's choose this grass and see. It's not good, not good. Let's check. Not good. This one is too colored. This one, no, it's too much looking like a grass. Okay, which one can I take? Let me go under this one. I need something that is not too, that the color is not too light or too dark. Exactly, perfect this color. Let me put it. Now I'm going to show you how to place, because this one is what we call mask placement. For mask placement, the other one was a point placement. Then for this mask placement, you just need to click like this. I click, I draw a line till the line through which I want my objects to be placed. I draw a line, I click. Now the thing has appeared. I can modify the number. Let's say I'm increasing the number. You see that it's not looking good. Okay, let me just put this number. Okay, this number is okay. Now the direction, well, they should be pointing different direction, because in real life grasses cannot point in the same direction. That's something sure odd. Then direction, change the direction. Then spacing, also the spacing, you can also modify the spacing. So I'm modifying my spacing for it to look more natural. Then offset from main line, I offset it. No, that's too much. A little bit like this is okay. When you're done, you click OK. Okay, I'll put another one on this line here that you're seeing. So let me just rotate my house. Now to rotate my house like this, what am I using? Right click on your mouse, press it, I right click, that's it. The mouse is moving, I right click. Now you're not almost seeing anything. You move it to the right, it goes like to the right. You move it to the left, it goes to the left. Or you can use your, that's to rotate. Then now to move, for those who play video games, you know that to move you use D to go to the right, cure or whatsoever is on your keyboard to go to the left, then Z to zoom in and S to zoom out. So I'm going to the left, to the right, but then while rotating a little